In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move notes to the local storage or iCloud, or even to a different folder on your iPhone 12 or later. This is a great way to organize your digital space and keep everything in easy reach, whether you're working offline or just prefer having certain notes tucked away on your device or backed up in the cloud. So let's dive right in and simplify your note-keeping habits. First things first, let's open up the Notes app on your iPhone. You know the drill, just find that familiar yellow icon on your home screen or in your app library and give it a tap. Once that's done, you'll be inside the main hub of your notes. If you find yourself already in a note you are working on, fear not. Simply tap the back arrow icon in the top corner and this will take you to the main list of your notes. Now that you've got your list in front of you, it's time to decide which notes you want to move. If you're looking at the list view, locate the edit button, it's usually at the top right corner, tap that to start selecting the notes you'd like to move around. Don't worry, this won't permanently change anything until we confirm the move later. Just tap on each note you want to relocate until you've got them all highlighted. Once you've made your selection, your next step is to tap Move. You'll find this option at the bottom of your screen. This action opens up a new range of possibilities for organizing these notes even further. Here's where you can take full control over where your notes reside. You'll have the option to move them to an existing folder in your iCloud, which is perfect if you want your notes to be accessible across all your Apple devices. Alternatively, you might prefer moving them to On My iPhone, which stores the notes locally on your device, ideal if you're looking for offline use or just want to keep certain notes off the cloud for privacy reasons. And don't worry if you can't find the perfect spot for your notes among existing folders, you can easily create a new home for them by tapping on the New Folder option. Once you've decided on the destination for your notes, simply tap on your chosen folder. With that done, it's time to confirm the move. If you're sending them off to iCloud, the magic happens in the background. All your notes will sync up automatically and be ready to view from any of your devices linked with the same Apple ID. If you decided to keep things local, they'll be snug as a bug right there on your iPhone. And there you have it, a streamlined and easy way to move your notes around on your iPhone 12 or later. Whether for better organization, future access on all your devices, or just for safekeeping, knowing how to move your notes gives you a bit more control over your digital life. Thanks for joining me today and happy organizing.